with another territory. I go to see what they want. Still fun in the pack. I am. We're going in my territory. We want your territory and your food. You guys have a small pack instead of a small territory. And yeah. You see, you don't need a small territory to have a pack. Why is it hyena and a fox for me anyway? These are my brothers. Really, a fox and a hyena? Shut up! Fine, I will go get my pack. Thank you. Pack is a wolf in our territory. How can we wolf in our territory like this? I don't know, the three brothers. Only hyena, the fox, and the wolf over there, brothers? Yes, they are for me. Okay, and what are they doing here? And what are they doing here? Frost, listen, they want our territory, our food. Well, now that's a small pack. I know there's a small pack, but we need this territory for our pups. And yeah, I guess the way. Can you go get my me? Yeah, sure. Touching little. I'm going now. Going now, Goldie. Thank you. Stone. Alpha. Yes, what is it? Frost. You may want to tell me that wolves in our territory. What do you want? Name of me. Did they say what they want? He did, and we said they wanted our territory and our food. But they only 3 brothers. 3 brothers? No, this is a small pack. And they don't need a big territory. I know that. That she told me. But come on, let's see what they want. And they want me to fight. Come on. Pups, go hide. Now! Okay. What's happening? Yeah, what is happening? There will be a fight between the 3 brothers. They want our territory, the hyena, the fox, and the wolf. Okay. Come on, Ontario. Okay, coming. This is my alpha female. Yeah, your whole pack here. No, this for of us. And we want the alpha female. That's why we want me here in the territory. You're not getting her. Oh yes, I am. And I'm getting away pups. What? Oh no. Pups, run. Okay. No, you're not going to kill the pups. So leave it alone. Where's the last word before me to die and take over this territory and me? Jack, help! Oh no, you're not going to have to impact me. I'm not helping you. Hello, stop standing on my way. No, I won't. And I won't let you kill the pups. No. You retreated? Fine. Oh, well, okay. I will be retreated. Good. Now what you happen to be messing with my friend. First. So you surrendered. Yes, I do. No. No. And then the whole pack surrendered. What's your name? My name is Leo. Okay, Leo, you surrendered. I don't know. Okay, go. I see you again. Boss, can you get up? Right. No, I can't. Stop, it's okay. Okay, get up. I'm getting up. Put something on him. You gotta be resting. Hey, what about your wounds? I'm gonna have put the pain out, but I know how to stop bleeding it. Thank you, Jack.